Alright, for this one, I need your full focus. No media monitoring is truly complete without tracking 3 of the biggest social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. To monitor mentions from the sources, you must integrate your Meta and LinkedIn accounts. Without this integration, you won't see any mentions from these platforms. For Facebook and Instagram, click on the plugin icon in the upper right corner. Then, hit the big blue button to complete the integration. Remember to connect Facebook and Instagram. Both accounts must be business accounts linked to each other, and you need to be the admin of both. If you run into any issues, check out our video walkthrough or the help article for step-by-step guidance. Once your accounts are successfully integrated, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, head over to Project Settings and select Facebook and Instagram as sources. If you manage multiple pages, you can choose which ones to connect. Simply add the public fan pages you want to track by inserting the Facebook page link. Keep in mind that private accounts and channels cannot be monitored. You can decide whether to receive all mentions from the page or only those that contain your project's keywords. The same applies to comments. You can track them all or just the main posts. And if you only want mentions in a specific language, you can set that too. Just remember, you'll need to add this source separately for each project. For Instagram, it's even simpler. Just add links to the public profiles you want to monitor, activate hashtag tracking, and enable monitoring for posts where you've been tagged. These profiles will be tracked across all your projects, but for each one, only mentions containing your project's keywords will be collected. Now, for LinkedIn, the process is similar, but you need super administrator rights to integrate your account. Click the plugin icon, select Manage LinkedIn Connection, and follow the steps in the pop-up. If you run into any issues, check out the support article linked on the page or below this video. You'll receive a notification once the integration is successful. Once connected, go to Project Settings, open the Additional Sources tab, and enable LinkedIn Profile Monitoring. Just like with Facebook and Instagram, you'll need to add this source separately to each project. Since Brand24 relies on official APIs from Meta and LinkedIn, the data we collect depends on what these platforms allow. To understand any limitations and what kind of data you can track, check out the articles linked below. And that's it! Now you know how to integrate Meta and LinkedIn accounts to get the most out of your social media monitoring. If you have any questions, check out the resources below or reach out to our team.